Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders.
I'm Lalo.
I'm Jay.
And these are your news announcements for today, Tuesday, September 5th. Welcome back to the island. So hope you guys enjoyed your 3-day weekend. Now we go to Mr. Gillespie to talk about Saturday Enrichment Academy.
Good morning, Raiders. Hey, I'm talking to you today to promote our Saturday Enrichment program, and I want to promote it to both students and to teachers. The Saturday Enrichment program exists for a couple reasons. First, Channel Islands wants to provide a safe, comfortable space where students can come in on a Saturday and work and just get general help with whatever they need, whatever sort of tutoring they need. Second, teachers sometimes want to create specific classes or study groups where students can come in and really deeply dive into whatever the subject matter is. For instance, last year, some of the groups that came in, we had the academic decathlon team come in, mock trial, the auto shop, AP World History, AP English. We had the cross-country team come in and do extra workouts. Mr. Atwater even had a beginning swimming class. So there's all kinds of things that teachers can put together, or students you can come in for just for general tutoring. The best part is, either way, students, you're gonna get extra help, and here's the best part, you can make up an absence. If you attend the 4.5 hours of Saturday school, that will erase an absence that you may have. And then teachers get to meet with students in a much more casual environment and, even get a little extra pay for it. Saturday Enrichment will take place approximately once a month. You've got the schedule up here. And it'll run from 8:30 to 12:45 on the Saturdays when it runs. Okay, so students and teachers, please consider this, these dates when making part of your educational plans. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gillespie. Looking forward to sign up, go see Mr. Gillespie.
Sporting news. Hello, Raiders. Trials will be held for this year's boys basketball season. Trials will be on the 6th, the 8th, and the 11th at 4 p.m. on the outdoor courts, the blacktop. Please bring your shoes, water, and a good effort. If you're currently in a fall sport, a separate trial will be held for you after your season ends. If you have any questions, please see Coach Robinson, room 11, and good luck. Softball trials will be on Monday through Thursday at the varsity field meetup at 4.
Now we go to the Crochet and Crafts Club.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Ulrich. I am the advisor for the Crochet and Craft Club, and I'm here with our president, Melody, to invite anyone who's interested in making kitty hats, stuffed animals, or anything else you're interested in crocheting or in crafts.
Meetings are in room X8 during lunch. Crochet lessons are in the same room during lunch, and our general meetings are on Thursdays.
And there's no need for experience. Hope to see you there.
Thank you, Crochet and Crafts.
Upcoming events. Wednesday and Thursday, September 6th through 7th, homecoming court elections.
Good morning, Raiders. My name is Ms. Gonzalez. I'm the EAOP College Site Coordinator.
Hey, I'm Andrea. I'm the director for the UPCI program here.
We're here today to present the College Application Workshop Series. This is a series where you could work on PIQs, the UC application, the CSU application. The first date will be Wednesday, September 6th from 2 to 6 p.m. So tomorrow.
Starting tomorrow, guys.
In the library. So please show up. If you'd like to get one of these flyers to RSVP, you could stop by room 51A, Upward Bounds Tutoring Room. or room 1, EAOP's office. Those doors should always be open, so please stop by. We may also leave extras in the counseling office.
Yes, and also seniors, very important date that you need to have locked in your head. November 30th is the deadline for UC and CSU applications. So let's get a head start right now on your applications. Do not wait last minute. You want to enjoy your holidays. You don't want to stress about it so much. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to get a head start.
And we will announce the other dates as the weeks go on.
Every Wednesday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.